Hello P6 students! Welcome back to our science class with Ms. Ida. How's everybody? Praying that everyone is healthy and safe at home. Okay? So finally children, we are now on the last unit. We are now on Unit 6, more about forces. In this chapter, you will learn to distinguish between mass measured in kilogram and weight in Newton, noting that kilogram is used in everyday life. Recognize and use of units of force, mass, and weight, and identify the direction in which forces act. Recognize the concept of energy in movement and recognize friction, including air resistance, as a force which can affect the speed of a moving object and sometimes stop a moving object. For this week, we will learn Lesson A, what is gravitational force? You can open your Science Pupils book, pages 120 to 128 while watching this video. So what are you waiting for? Let's start learning! To get started, can you recall what you have learned about forces and their effects? Please be ready because we will answer your Worksheet 1 on Unit 6 during our classes. What is gravitational force and its effect? Gravity or gravitational force is the force of attraction between two objects. It depends on the mass of the objects and the distance between them. Example, hold a ball in the air and let it go. Does it stay in the air? The ball does not stay in the air when you let go. It falls to the ground. This shows that there is a force acting on the ball or pulling it towards the ground. Gravitational force is the force of attraction between two objects. An object has mass, which is the amount of matter it contains. The larger the mass of the object and the closer they are to each other, the larger the gravitational force between them. The Earth has a very large mass. Therefore, there is a very strong force of attraction between the Earth and any object near its surface. We observe the effects of the force when we see objects falling to the ground towards the center of the Earth. So when we jump, children, we fall to the ground. That means there is gravitational force acting on it. What is weight? Place some heavy books on your hand and you feel the books pushing down on your hand. The force or push acting on your hand is the weight of the book. The weight of an object is the gravitational force acting on it. An object on the Earth has weight because of the gravitational force between the Earth and the object. Since weight is a force, it can be measured with a force meter in the unit Newton. Look at this force meter. It shows the weight of an apple. The apple pulls on a spring inside the force meter and stretches it. So in science, mass is different from weight. The following table compares mass and weight. So let's check. If mass, it is the amount of matter in an object. It is measured using an electronic balance. It is measured in units such as gram and kilogram. It remains the same at different locations. While weight, it is the gravitational force acting on an object. It is measured using a force meter. It is measured in the unit Newton. It changes at different locations depending on the amount of gravitational force acting on it. So can you see the difference, children? Anyway, we will be discussing more about this during our class, so no need to worry. Some force meters like the one shown have scales in both Newton and gram or kilogram. Look at the scales of the force meter. Its pointers show the weight of an object in Newton and its mass in gram. And that ends Lesson 8, children. Thanks for watching. Be ready and be on time to join our classes. Ms. Ida will discuss more about Lesson 8. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. God bless everyone. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.